Hey everyone, welcome back to Steffi's Corner. My name is Steffi. If you're new here, thanks for joining. Hit that subscribe button below and click the like if you enjoy my content, and that will help get my videos out there to more people. I really appreciate it. Today we're going to be talking about the Nomad Tokyo palette. We're going to be putting this on my eyes and seeing how it performs. This is the look I did today. If you're in the market for some pretty pastels, that's a nice palette to pick up. Nomad, as of the day of this video, had this one on sale. It's got some really pretty pastels in it. If you're interested in how I got this eye look, then keep watching. Today we're going to be doing a spring Easter pastel eye look. Nomad has this palette on clearance. It's the Tokyo palette. So we're going to open her up. Should be pretty pastels. Back is black. Front is really super cute. Look at that. This is what she looks like. Really pretty. Let's see what looks we can make today. I'm going to prime my eyes with this Jason Wu primer. It's white. I'm going to rub that between my fingers. Oh, that coverage is a lot. Okay, we'll put that on my eyelids. All the way up to the brow and under the eye. That is super white. Wow, wasn't expecting that. Let's take it down just a little bit. It feels like zinc. I'm just using this Garnier micellar water. Take off that excess. I could take this out of the video, but you know, I screw up. I want you to see how I fix it. All right, a little bit less. It doesn't set down too quickly, so you have time to work with it. That's better. Let's get you zoomed in and we'll see what eye looks we can make. I'm going to start with this fluffy brush, the Blending Bestie, MOTD. I think I'll go in with this light orange color here, Anami. And I'm going to put that in the crease. I'm using white today, hoping these pastels will show up a little bit better. It's very light color. I'm going to take that higher up since it's so light. And on the other eye. Seems to have a little bit of shimmer in it. Don't really notice it in the pan, but kind of shows up on the eye. I'm going to take this Sigma medium angled shading. It's a little bit angled. I'm going to go into that little bit darker shade, Kawaii. Nice deeper orange. Just to deepen that a little bit. Yeah, if I hadn't used a white primer, I don't think I'd be able to see this at all. I need that end of that first color. I'm filming with my camera today because the computer seems to not have very consistent lighting. It tends to try to auto adjust, and I don't know how to change that. And the cell phone camera is easier to zoom and does well with the lighting. A little bit higher over here and here. All right, that's blended nicely. I'm going to put that one under my lid. Okay, now I'm going to take this Moda Pro BMX 466 shader brush. I think we're going to go into this Takenoko Zoku. I'm probably butchering the names, but I'm doing the best I can. We're going to put that on the outer half of the eyelid. Just tapping that in. Now patting, gently wiping. Flip that over, add a little more pigment. Blend it out in the crease with the orange. These are quite powdery. Same thing, other side, about halfway up into the crease. A little bit more. Ooh, Fallout City over there. And that's why I don't do my face first. Picked up too much on my brush right first. These colors are nice. It's pretty. I think I'm going to go in with this bright yellow, Zaku Zaku. I'm going to put that on my finger and put that on the inner corner. See if that will show up as bright as it looks in the pan. It builds up. Not quite as bright as I wanted it, but I'm going to try to pick it up on a pencil brush. Come on, focus. The BMX 420 detail brush. And then I'm going to spray it with the Everyday Vacay setting spray. Let's see how that does. No change, really. Well, that's a little bit disappointing on that yellow. It's still pretty, just not quite as bold as I was looking for. Okay, finger. I really have to press in and get in there to get some shadow on my finger. That'll work. I'm going to deepen up that outer corner. I'm going to take that same brush that I went into the purple with. I think I'm going to go with this other purple, Decora. See if that will deepen it up a little bit. And if not really. So we'll try this Takashita Dori instead. It's pretty shimmery, but I think these are acting as more of a topper overall. I was hoping to get a little bit better purple payoff. They are pastels after all. That's not bad. I'm going to take and color switch that brush and go in with the Now is Forever turquoise shade on that inner lower lash line. Right under that tear trough. Just having a little fun with the colors. Get into that orange a little bit. Okay. Now I'm going to take this Wild Chicka Brow MOTD brush, a liner brush. And I'm going to go in with this dark color, Visual Kai. And I'm going to use that as a little bit of a liner. Just right at the lash line on that outer corner. Just a little mini wing there. Oof, that one's going to fall out too. That's more what I wanted. Just to give a little depth and dimension to the eye. I'll just go from about my iris to that outer corner and give it a little lift up. Don't do bigger wings because I have hooded lids. They just look funny on me. That one went better. And that edge just a little bit. Okay, let me fix this first one just a little. That's better. And take just a little bit and join it to that lower lash line there, just above that orange. Okay, now I don't want to lose that orange. I'm going to pick it back up and make sure it is on that lash line with that darker color and blending into that blue. Just a little bit under the wing. Make my eyes look a little bit bigger. Okay, fix those inner corners. I like it. Now I'm going to take this other blending bestie. It's clean. And I'm just going to blend that upper edge. Make sure there's no harsh edges there. And underneath the eye a little bit at that wing. I'm also going to fix that with my concealer and foundation. That's the shadows. Now I'm going to use this BH Power Pencil in teal. I'm going to put that on my lower waterline. See if I can get it to pop a little bit. Yeah. Like that. Pulls in with that blue well. I'm going to take a little of this Dare to Be Bright gel pencil from Creations. It is in Tiptoe. And I'm going to help that orange out a little bit. Just at the lash line. Just under that deep gray color. Doesn't show up too much, but it brightened a little bit. All right, now I'm trying out the Ritual de Fille concealer. Just finishing up the trial of it so they can release the new one. And I'm going to put that right in my trough right there. Both sides. There. And then I'm going to take my ring fingers and work that in. Just to help with those dark circles a little bit. It's been a really good formula. I took away that blue, just a little more on this side. Okay, now we'll work this one in, see if we can't cover that a little bit more. Now we'll take this Sweet and Shimmer eyeliner pencil. It comes with its own sharpener. Just a nice charcoaly shimmer. And we'll put that in the upper waterline. Just in those lashes. Give them a little bit more fullness. There we go. For mascara, I'm going to go with the Cali Ray Hell or High Water. It's my favorite. And the other side. See how it just gives me volume? I love that. And it doesn't flake or smudge. It just works very well for my eyes. Oops. Second coat. And a tip, never clean up wet mascara. Always wait for it to dry. If you oops. Try to clean it up wet. It usually just smears. And now I'll do the lower lashes. I'm not very good at putting on mascara, let me tell you. It is a chore. But I do like it. Let's zoom you back out. I'm going to put on the rest of my face and I'll be right back. And this is the final look. I used the Unseen Sunscreen as my sunscreen. And I used the Professional as my primer. The L'Oreal Nude Serum, and I need some more. The Essence Make Me Brow, the e.l.f. kind of orangey one. I'm not sure of the color. The Physicians Formula as my bronzer. The lip pencil in Rosy. And I coated that with the Sweet Shimmer lip gloss. And of course the mascara and all you saw on the video. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe down below. Hit the like button, leave a comment below, and let me know how you like this look. And stay tuned for more content. Thanks for watching. Bye.